All right, everybody, what's in the box? What's in this box right here? I opened up a pretty big box yesterday, got that. This is a big box too. I'm just going to try not to name names. I don't know if he wants to be mentioned or not. So I'm just going to call him CB. He knows who he is. He reached out to me and he was like, hey, Chad, would you be interested in some comics? I'm like, yeah. How much? And he goes, just pay shipping. I'm like, what? What? Just pay shipping? That's insane. Well, I mean, I just paid shipping and I was just tasked with just to take care of him. And I'm like, okay, can do. So I don't know the extent of what's in this box. I know what is in the box, but I don't know the extent of what's in the box. So I'm just going to unbox it. You know, he's making a big move. And I'm here to take care of his books. And being very, very careful. Oh, there we go. Okay, maybe being too careful. Come on. Come on, books. Okay. There we go. You know, I know it is. You know, everybody's like at church or something or whatever else. It's okay. You guys can watch it later. All right. Unboxing of this. There's a lot of books in here. It's a big box of books. Okay. Oh, come on. Don't. There we go. Beautifully packed. Oh my goodness. All the bubble wrap. I could definitely use this. Look at all this bubble wrap. Oh my goodness. Okay. We're just going to get down with the books. I'm going to show them one by one. I'm not going to get too into what they are, but we'll go through them. All right, here's Cull #1. Beautiful Dark Horse. Joe the Barbarian. I've never even heard of this, but this is super cool. Vertigo. Rad. Oh, Joe. Oh, we keep going. Joe the Barbarian. This is 2 of 8. This is 3 of 8. Huh. This is #1. Okay. Okay. Cool. I like that. This is rad. Awesome. Awesome. This is the X-Files, dude. X-Files #1. That's dope. That's super cool. 2, 3. There we go. For any X-Files fans out there, that's super cool. I was a huge X-Files fan. The Spirit, special #1, 4 classic tales from one of comics' greatest masters. This is cool. Keep it going. Oh, damn. Oh, Conan and the Midnight God #1. Damn. Oh, dude. Oh, man. Star Wars Invasion. This is bought in 2010. #4. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. This is amazing. Star Wars Legacy. Emperor Fell at Bay, #13. All right. Oh, man. #8. Fall of the Alliance, Rise of the Sith. Last Stand of the Neglected. Oh, man. 2014. The Reunion of Outlaws. Oh, this is super cool. Face Off, Legacy 19. I think this is the full run. Legacy Wars, Darth Crate. Oh, Reborn! Dude. Oh, man. Star Wars Legacy 0. Star Wars Invasion, #1. A Jedi's Duty and a Father's Fate. Yep, number 0. Number 1. Keep it coming. Holy moly. An angry Sith Hound. That's dope. Number 2. Number 3. 9/14 of 2010. Wow. 12-year-old books right here. Number 4. This is the whole Invasion series. Yep. 5. 6. 2. These are all just super dope covers. Oh, man. I'm just happy to even just be the proud owner of these. Thank you so much. Star Wars Rebellion, number 7. Jedi Killer Awakened. Star Wars Purge. Oh, this is... Oh, man. Oh, here we go. Star Wars The Clone Wars. Oh, man. Oh, man. Star Wars Qui-Gon and Obi-Wan. You can't go without not having the movie cover. That's, oh man, I think this is the whole run of the Star Wars Qui-Gon and Obi-Wan. Oh no, Knights of the Old Republic. Oh hey, sorry, I'm all just going through books. I just received, hey, what's up, guys? I just received a big old box of Star Wars books. I'm just kind of going through them one by one. Knights of the Old Republic, 14. Oh, these are super dope. Knights of the Old Republics. Yep. I just received all these books from a friend of mine who was moving, and I mean, Star Wars Dark Times, The Blue Harvest. Star Wars Dark Times. Oh man, part 1 of 5. Could use a little pressing right here. You know what's really cool? So, here's the Star Wars. Oh, 2 number 3s of Star Wars Invasions. So yeah, these are all the books I just received. I can't believe it. I mean, there's a whole, damn. So that's all that I got. I think this is super awesome. I'm gonna have to organize all my Star Wars books now. This is super dope, and I also heard about the storyline with Legacies that I think it's Luke Skywalker's grandson. What's up, Kevin? How he was taking drugs to deny his relationship with the Force. I think that's super cool. But yeah, I'm super stoked to own pretty much this huge stack of 2010 to 2013 Star Wars Dark Horse comics. My friend sent them to me. I'm definitely going to organize these up, put them all by number. I'm super stoked to own the Knights of the Old Republics. I'm actually super stoked for the whole damn collection. I mean, this is super fun. And then the Clone Wars stuff. Shoo. Legacies. Purge. Oh, all right. Well, that was it, guys. This is all the stuff I received from my friend. I will take care of your books, sir. I will take care of your books. For all of you who are watching, good to see you. I got some organizing to do. So, till the next time, peace, love, and comics. Don't forget to find me on Whatnot. You know, Harm's Way Chad. Add me on there. Add me on all the things Harm's Way Chad related. All right, I got homework to do, so I'll see you guys later. Bye. Bye.